All right. Edit the link there, put this in its place. All right, 1:30 live video. Hello, Shannon. Gonna answer any questions anybody might have before I uh, wrap this up for the evening. I actually need to um, run by the school for something this afternoon to get something out of my classroom. Um, Hopefully, everybody that's watching this has read Percy Jackson Chapter 1. Hopefully, it was something that you enjoyed and something that you guys um, hopefully can get into for the rest of the book. Um, but the biggest things I'm seeing, the biggest things I want to say before I answer any questions or anything like that, or if anybody gets on with questions, the two biggest things I'm really seeing are first off, um, you are not to turn in or finish the final project or the warm ups until we actually get to that point. Okay, so especially with the final project. The final project, if you think you're done already, then you probably haven't done what I'm asking you to do. The final project is something that should take a huge chunk of time to wrap up. And the warm ups, you won't turn those in until we make it through chapter 6. And right now we're only through chapter 1. The second thing I'm seeing today, I went to put Reading Plus grades in, and I would say that a lot of you have forgotten that Reading Plus is even a part of what you're doing. So make sure that you're taking care of that. Make sure that you read a few stories a week so that I can get that in there. Yeah, I'm very anxious to see some of the stuff you guys put for your warm ups. I really enjoy some of the questions that go in there um, and all that stuff. I made that a few years ago and I really enjoy all that stuff on there. But I know some people were wondering if I was going to read the chapter again in this live chat. Um, I am not. I already put the link to the video earlier where I read the chapter. So if you want to see me read the chapter out loud, you can just click on that link and it will take you to me reading it earlier today. That's how it's probably going to go moving forward is I'll read the chapters in my early live video, my 10:30 live video. I'll probably read the chapter and then I'll just post the link to it. And then the other two videos I do at the day, the 1:30 and the 3 o'clock, will just be for answering questions. Yeah, tomorrow we'll read chapters 2 and 3. Um, Friday is a day for if you've fallen behind on anything, if you haven't gotten any assignments done. That's all Fridays are going to be for, is for people that haven't done that work. So if you're staying on top of things, and your school week is basically going to shift to being Monday through Thursday, because Friday is just going to be a day that's in place for making those things up. Um, I also have started contacting parents. I sent out 80 parent emails today. I'll probably make some phone calls either today or tomorrow, getting in touch with parents to try and set up meetings if they want to find out what you guys are doing, if they want to make sure you guys are taking care of it. Um, Not all of the meetings would be me saying that you haven't done anything. In fact, it's just to let them know, yes, your kid is doing what they need to be doing. There are some meetings with parents where it might be, hey, they haven't really done anything. Here's what they need to be doing. But if your parent got an email, that doesn't mean you're not doing your work. I try to get in touch with everybody that we have contact information with. I can't see the story for me to read by myself. Okay, so if you go to today's page, Shannon, and you click on um, click this to open up chapters 1 through 5. What does it open up? And also, in order to see all these things, you have to be logged in to your school uh, profile, your school Google profile. So if you click that link, it should open up the 5 chapters, and if you click let's see, I'll click the first live video session, see what pops up here. When I click, it's, um, yeah, it opens up a 10:30 live video of me, which is an odd thing for me to be watching that while I'm doing a live video. But let's try those out, Shannon, see if they work real quick, and we'll see if we can't figure out fixing it for you. Um, and Shannon, if you can't see some of those things, once again, make sure that you are uh, make sure that you are logged in as your school profile, because I've shared all those things with uh, you through your school email. So if they're not opening up, it might be because you're trying to look at it with a different profile if you're logged in as something other than your school email. So, Shannon, did either any of those things work at all? Um, Going to waste time until Shannon responds again. Yada da da. I can't even see the link. So, are you on the Wednesday checklist? Because if you're in the Wednesday checklist, Shannon, the link, it says you can click this link to open up chapters 1 through 5 in order to read the book. Let's see. Is that you? I see you. You're looking at the page. Shannon, I am highlighting it right now with my mouse. All right. Can you see it? What happens when you um, click the link on that? Does anything happen when you click the link right here? Does that work at all? Okay, but it did work. It has worked. Awesome. You're very welcome. That's what these videos are for. Well, guys, I am going to log off of this live video. As always, if you have questions, if you have anything you need help with, you can post a comment in Google Classroom. You can send me an email, and I will get back to those as quickly as I can. I will be trying to get back on at 3, my 3 p.m. live video. If I don't make it, I apologize for that, and I will see you guys in the morning on my 10:30. Once again, in the 10:30 video, I'll still answer questions moving forward. So if you log into the 10:30 and you're like, oh, he's just reading the book, no, I'll still answer questions and stuff like that. But during my 1:30 and my 3 o'clock, I'm just going to be answering questions and things like that. I also am thinking about maybe switching to Google Meet to do these. They've made some updates to Google Meet where it works a little better as a teacher than this. We might transition to that, but for now, we're going to stick with these. I hope you guys have a great Wednesday. Make sure you're taking care of everything you need to take care of. Look what I did in my thumb, guys. All right, I did that a couple days ago. That's been my distance learning reminder. I'll remember it forever because I think it's going to be there forever. But yeah, anyway, I hope you guys are having a fantastic Wednesday. I truly do miss having you guys in the classroom. This has been anything other than a vacation in terms of what we're doing. I do enjoy being home with my family here, but I know my wife as a teacher as well. We definitely miss being in the classroom. So hopefully you guys are having uh, an easy time with it. Hopefully everybody in your family has been able to stay healthy, and I will see you guys tomorrow.